Kia ora. So Singularity University Executive Program, Day 5, expert number 2 is Andra Keay, a fascinating individual like all other experts that were on the program. Now, Andra talked to us about a lot of things and had a workshop with us about, investing, which I found quite useful. But for the video, what I want to do is the one takeaway that I got from Andra's talk was the next unicorn is not going to come from a purely software, like software as a service, or a purely hardware company. It's going to come from a company that combines both. So there's a phrase that's going around called sensor fusion. Some of you might be familiar with it, some of you may not be. My new company that I founded, that's exactly what we do. So I'll make sure to put some links in the bio in terms of like what sensor fusion means. And I'll do some videos about it as well for those of you who are interested. But yeah, that was a big key takeaway for me. So if you're an investor or an entrepreneur trying to start a company, then this is something that you want to think about, and maybe this helps you as well. Cheers.